Welcome back to the channel, truck lovers. Today we're bringing you something truly legendary. The 2026 Dodge pickup, a modern tribute to one of the most iconic workhorses ever built, the 1939 Dodge pickup. Dodge has reached deep into its heritage and blended the golden era of American craftsmanship with today's cutting-edge technology. This isn't just a truck, it's a bridge between history and innovation, designed to stir the soul of anyone who loves raw power wrapped in timeless style. The 2026 Dodge Pickup Classic Edition carries the unmistakable DNA of the original. The design pays homage to the 1939 model with its round headlights, muscular fenders, and that signature vertical grille, now reborn with a modern twist in satin black and brushed gold accents. The hand-polished chrome lines glide across the hood and sides, while the Dodge emblem proudly stands tall at the center of the grille, reminding you of its pure American roots. Every curve, every panel, and every reflection feels like a piece of art crafted to perfection. But make no mistake, this is not just about looks. Underneath that vintage charm beats a modern powerhouse. The 2026 Dodge pickup is equipped with a hybrid twin-turbo V6 engine, producing an impressive 520 horsepower and 680 millimeters of torque. It combines the old-school toughness of a pickup with the precision of 21st-century engineering. Whether you're towing, hauling, or simply cruising down the highway, this beast delivers smooth power and unmatched control. The all-new adaptive suspension system ensures a comfortable ride. Whether you're off-roading in the wilderness or gliding through city streets, step inside and the nostalgia continues, but with a futuristic touch. The cabin merges retro styling with modern luxury. Classic analog-style dials meet a digital touchscreen, wrapped in premium leather and copper stitching. The wood accents on the dash and doors evoke memories of the original 1939 interior, while the new AI-powered infotainment system keeps you connected with voice commands, real-time diagnostics, and next-generation navigation. Safety and technology have been elevated to modern standards too. The 2026 Dodge pickup comes equipped with 360-degree cameras, auto emergency braking, lane assist, and adaptive cruise control. It's built for the modern driver who demands heritage with innovation, style with strength, and passion with purpose. This truck doesn't just move, it makes a statement. It reminds us where the American pickup story began and how far it has come. From farms and factories to freeways and cities, the Dodge pickup has always been a symbol of hard work, freedom, and power. The 2026 version continues that story with pride and precision. So, if you're someone who respects tradition but craves modern performance, the 2026 Dodge pickup is your perfect match. This is not just a return, so it's a rebirth. The legend of 1939 lives again, stronger and smarter than ever before. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and let's keep celebrating the machines that make history roar.